Welcome to Sai Master Academy. Continuation of trigonometry. Next problem. If 0 less than theta less than pi by 8, then show that this is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2, and this is nothing but mz bit. See here we have 1, 2, 3 times. It may be n times also. So depending on the question we can solve, but the process is same. Root over 3 times given, 2 plus root over 2 plus root over 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta. I am taking 2 common, more 1 plus cos 4 theta. Okay. 1 plus cos 4 theta. Is there any formula? Is there any formula? 1 plus cos theta, 2 theta, 4 theta. There is formula. So what is 1 plus cos? First I am writing for 2 theta. We can apply for all. 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. If you are theta, theta by 2, 2 theta, theta, 4 theta, 2 theta, 8 theta, 4 theta, half of the angle. Okay, now. So, which is equal to root over 2 plus root over 2 plus root over 2 into 1 plus cos 4 theta will be 2 cos square 2 theta. Half of the 4 theta will be 2 theta. Again, it will become what? 2 square 4. Root over 4 means 2, cos square means cos 2 theta. Okay. So, which is equal to root over 2 plus root over 2 plus this is again 2 cos theta. Since 2 square will be 2, cos square will be cos. Again, what we have to take common? 2 common, which is root over 2 plus root over, taking 2 common, more 1 plus cos 2 theta. Na? So, what about 1 plus cos 2 theta? 2 cos square theta, which is equal to root over 2 plus root over 2 into this is 2 cos square theta. Again 2 square means root 2 square will be 4, will be 2. So which is equal to root over 2 plus this will be 2 and cos square will be cos theta. Again what we can take common? 2 common. So taking 2 common, more 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta. What is 1 plus cos theta value? 2 cos square theta by 2. Half of the angle, na? For 4 theta, 2 theta. For 2 theta, theta. For theta, theta by 2, which is equal to again 2 square 4. So, you will get what? 2 cos square will be cos theta by 2. Okay. Now, go to one more question. Find period of the functions. See, we learned the period of the function. This type of question we done. But we done individual functions. This is separate, this is separate, this is separate, 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 separate. We find for sine 2x, sine 4x, sine 8x, sine something x, cos, tan, like this we find the periods. But here you have two functions in addition, in fraction, square, power 4, then how we can find? In multiplication, how we can find the period? We know only sin x period, cos x period, tan x period. We don't know sin x plus cos x period. So don't think like, see, suppose the period of this is 5, the period of this is 7. You don't add, this is wrong. How we can find the period of this? Since these are trigonometric ratios, now we can't add. Yeah, we have to know that the common thing is what, common angle is what, common value is what, that is nothing but period. So first question, what is the first question? And first question, these two are similar. For every trigonometric ratio, if you have power 2, 4, 6, whatever it is, directly write the period is pi. What is the period? Pi. I am writing here directly. No need to write again. The period is what? Pi. What is the period of sine square x? Pi. Cos square x? 2 is not a matter. That is the coefficient. That is not a problem. But here he is asking the period of sum of two functions. Again question. Sum of two functions, again question. Product of two functions, division of four functions, I mean two functions only. So how we can find? Simply see second one, period of sine square x is equal to pi, period of cos square x is equal to also pi, Therefore, period of sum of two functions is clearly, remember, LCM of these two functions period. What is the period of sin square x? Pi. Cos square x? Pi. So what is the LCM of pi comma pi? Pi. LCM is pi only, na? Same values. So in this way, if you add addition or subtraction or division, whatever it is, you have to find the LCM of all those periods. If you have 5 functions in addition, first to find separate periods, then find the LCM of all those periods. Okay, na? Now come to one more question. What is the question? Second question. So this question, this is third question, and this is now see second question. So period of sin pi by 4x is what? Period of sin, okay, 2 also there, no problem, 2 is not a matter, okay. Sin pi by 4 into x is what? What is the period of sin ax? 2 pi by mod a. This is in the form of sin ax only, na? What is the period? 2 pi by mod a. For cos ax, 2 pi by mod a. For sin pi by 4x, 2 pi by mod a means what? Pi by 4. Pi pi 2 4 ja 8. So period of sin pi x by 4 is 8. Now period of cos, so 3 is there, 3 cos pi by 3 x is what? 2 pi by mod a. Mod a means mod pi by 3. Pi pi 3 2 ja 6. 6 is the period of which function? Second function. Now period of question 2 sin pi by 4x plus 3 cos pi by 3x is LCM of 8 comma 6. What is LCM of 8 comma 6? The 24. Okay, 4 2 ja and 6 6 only, na? 4 2 ja 8 4 ja 24. Okay, now come to one more question. This is addition, this is addition, this is single power 4, this is also division. After that I will explain this. The question is what? Fourth question. What is the question? Sorry, fifth question. Fifth question. Entity 5 sin x plus 3 cos x by 4 sin 2x plus 5 cos x. Okay, we know all sin cos periods. What is the period of sin x? 2 pi. That's it. Sin ax 2 pi by mod a. Sin x is 2 pi. What is the period of cos x? 2 pi. What is the period of sin 2x? 2 pi by mod 2. Mod 2. What is the period of cos x? First. Period of 5 sin x plus 3 cos x is LCM of periods of these together. That is the period of this is what? 2 pi. The period of this is also what? 2 pi. So LCM will be what? 2 pi. This is for numerator. Now come to denominator. Period of 4 sin 2x plus 5 cos x is LCM of periods of these two. So sin 2x period will be what? 2 pi by mod 2 will be pi. Pi comma this is what? 2 pi. So LCM will be again what? 2 pi common, that is only. Okay, I mean list common, that is only 2 pi. Now this is for numerator, this is for denominator. Again we need to find the period of this fraction, na? So mali LCM period of 5 sin x plus 3 cos x by 4 sin 2x plus 5 cos x is LCM of 2 pi comma 2 pi, which is equal to again what? 2 pi. So for addition, subtraction, division, what you have to do? LCM. What you have to do? LCM, not for multiplication. How we can solve for multiplication? This is question number 4. What is that? 2 sine pi by 4 plus x into cos x. So first we have to split. How we can split? Already I explained you. If you have two functions in product, how we can convert into addition or subtraction, that is called transformation. Okay. So this is 2 sine A cos B. 2 sine A cos B. What is the formula? 2 sine A cos B. Sine of A plus B into, sorry, plus sine of A minus B. This one is sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D to cos C minus D. So sine of A plus B, what you will get? Sine of A plus B, this plus this. So 2x plus pi by 4, right? 2x plus pi by 4. This plus this x plus x 2x only, na? Plus sine of A minus B. What is A minus B? This minus this x cancel. What is this? Pi by 4. Any doubt? Sine of A plus B, sine of A minus B. If you take this 2 sine A cos B formula, if you have cos A sin B, you will get negative. Okay, na? Right. Now, sine 45 value? 1 by root 2. What is the value? 1 by root 2. Okay, leave that. Now come to this one. What about the period of this? See, till now we didn't solve that type of questions. See, you didn't have anything addition or subtraction in with angle. Now how we can solve this question, this sine function? Simply sine of A plus B formula. What is sine of A plus B formula? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A 2x cos B 1 by root 2. Pi by 4 na? Pi by 4 value 1 by root only na? 1 by root 2 plus cos A cos 2x and 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, that is a number, no need to worry. Now sin 2x period what? Sin 2x period. Period is LCM of, this is 2 pi by 2 which is pi, comma this is also pi. So pi. Understand? We have to write in terms of addition, then only we can find our subtraction also. Next come to continuation. Voice on the equal to cos 3a by 2 cos 2a minus 1, hence find cos 15, same, find sin 15, same, tan 15, tan 22 and off. Okay, so actually this you can solve, but I will give one question. See, first question, all are similar, just by common sense, by the grip on trigonometry we can solve. Okay, what is the first question? Cos A is equal to cos 3a by this we have to prove. LHS equal to RHS we have to prove. Cos 3a formula. Cos 3 theta 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A by 2 cos 2A minus 1. Okay na? What we can take common from numerator? Cos A into what? 4 cos square A, right? Minus 3 by 2 cos 2A minus 1. See, we need to prove both are equal, na? We got this one means these two should be cancelled, then only both are equal, cos A, cos A. So, we can't cancel directly. We have to convert this into this or both into same form. Then we can cancel. Finally, we should get cos A equal to cos A. You can't cancel cos A. We should get RHS also cos A, na? LHS equal to RHS, that's why. So, see, conversion now by using trigonometry formulas, which is equal to cos A into 4 cos square A minus 3, kada? Right. 4 cos square A minus 3 by cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2 theta formula. 2 cos square theta minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta. In terms of tan also we have numerator in terms of cos, that's why I am writing 2 cos square A minus 1 already minus 1, which is equal to cos A 4 cos square A minus 3 by, now multiply 2 2 ja 4 cos square A minus, sorry, 2 minus 1, which is cos A into 4 cos square A minus 3 by, this is also 4 cos square A minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So these two will get cancelled. What is the answer? Cos A is the answer. So LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Now he is asking what is cos 15. Just write, put A is equal to 15, then take this one. Cos 15 is equal to cos 3 into 15 what? 45 by 2. Cos 2 into 15 what? How much, man? Cos 215, yeah? 30 minus 1. Now write all the values. Cos 45 1 by root 2 by 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2 minus 1 2 2 cancel. Now this is what? No need to do LCM, na? Root 2 will be the denominator. 1 by root 2 into root 3 minus 1 is the answer, or you can multiply root 2 also, that is in next step, that's your wish. Okay. Now come to this question, these two practice. What about 1 by sin 10 minus root 3 by cos 10 is equal to 4 proof? Now what about this? Here also we can write cosecant as sin. This is sin 20, that is cos 20. Similar problem. Okay. Now see first question. Given what? 1 by sin 10 minus root 3 by cos 10. This is what? LHS. Now apply LCM. Sin 10 cos 10. If you take this side, cos 10 minus root 3 sin 10. So here sin 10 cos 10 is there. If you have more 2, it will become 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta formula. But is there 2? No. Into 2 by 2. Now numerator, this is cos 10 minus root 3 sin 10. If you have this type of questions like what, a cos theta plus b sin theta plus or minus. Just you apply for numerator and denominator root over a square plus b square. This is very useful formula. Next chapter we use mostly this only. You have to apply what? Root over a square plus b square, multiply and divide to convert two functions into one function. How, sir? I will show you. See here, numerator, this is 1. So root over 1 square, root 3 square, which is root 4, which is 2. Understand? I said that root over a square plus b square. What is a? 1. B minus root 3. A square plus b square root 2, that is root 1 plus 3, which is root 4, which is equal to what? 2. So multiply and divide with 2. What you will get? With that only you have to multiply and divide. So which is nothing but I am multiplying and dividing. Say 2 cos 10 minus root 3 sin 10 by 2 by 2 sin 10 cos 10 by 2. Okay. Okay, with a different color. Understand? Multiply and dividing with 2. Now what I am doing? 2 into, I am writing cos 10 by 2. This by 2 also we can write. 1 by 2 cos 10 plus, sorry, minus root 3 by 2 sin 10. Any doubt? Any doubt? And this is 2 sin 10 cos 10 will be sin 20 sin 2 theta by what? 2. You don't cancel these two. That is angle, this is number. Now which is equal to 2 will be numerator, that is what? 4 bracket open 1 by 2 cos 10 root 3 by 2 sin 10. What I am writing in place of 1 by 2, that is cos 60. Can we write cos 60? And this is again cos 10 minus, can we write this is sin 60? Sin 60 also root 3 by 2 na? Sin 10, or you can write this is sin 30, this is cos 30. Why, sir? Now we can compare with cos A cos B minus sin A sin B formula. What is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B formula? What is the formula? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is equal to cos of A plus B. Okay. ఏంటి ఫార్ములా ఎన్నిసార్లు రాసావు నువ్వు? So which is equal to 4 into cos of A plus B, A 60, B 10. 4 into cos 70, right? Cos what? 70, 60 plus 10, na? So it will become 70 by what? Denominator sin 20. So which is 4 into cos 70. Can we write cos of 90 minus 20? Right, cha? What is cos 90 minus theta? Sin theta. Sin 20 by sin 20. 20, 20. Cancel. Answer what? 4. So LHS equal to, so this is what? RHS. Hence proved. In the same way, for you, there is one question. First you have to convert. And one more question. This is also very important one. Please ask me if you not get. What you need to get here? Here, here, proofful even. Okay, by using your trigonometric values, you have 0, 30, 45, 90, 60, 15, 75, and also 18, 18 multiples, 22 and a half. You have all these values. You can use anything, but you should prove equal to 45. Okay? Right, see one more question. Prove that this plus this plus this plus this is equal to 2. Okay. More questions there. Okay, solution. Already we solved this type of question with power 4 equal to 2 by 3 or 3 by 2, right? But here with power 2 is asking to prove only 2. Same process. This is what? LHS. Cos square pi by 8. This is what? Cos square 3 pi by 8. Keep like that, 3 pi by 8. దీన్ని మార్చలేదు అనుకుంటా మనం. 3 pi by 8. We converted like what? Pi by 2 minus pi by 8. 8 pi minus 2 pi, 6 pi by 16, that is 3 pi by 8. And again plus this is cos square of pi by 2 plus pi by 18. Pi by 8. 8 pi, 2 pi, 10 pi by 16, 5 pi by 8. This is what? Cos square of pi minus pi by 8. 8 pi minus pi, 7 pi by 8. So which is equal to cos square of pi by 8 plus cos square of, sin square of this is, why? Because cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. Sin square of pi by 8. This is also what? Cos 90 plus actually minus second quadrant negative cos, but here power 2, that is plus sin square pi by 8. And this is what? 180 minus, which is also negative power, even that's why plus cos square pi by 8. Is it sin? Can we write here sin square? No, why? 180, which is a even angle, even axis. Okay. So now 2 times of cos, 2 times of sine. So 2 times of sine square pi by 8 plus cos square pi by 8. What about sine square pi by 8 plus cos square pi by 8? Sine square theta plus cos square theta. So, Buki. Yeah, see more questions. 45. Prove that 1 minus secant 8 alpha by 1 minus secant 4 alpha is equal to tan 8 alpha by tan 4 alpha. This is proof. See solution. LHS 1 minus secant 8 alpha by 1 minus secant 4 alpha. You can write secant alpha 1 by cos alpha directly, or what I am doing first for simplification, for easy, I am writing first secant 8 alpha first. Secant 8 alpha minus 1 by secant 4 alpha minus 1 by taking minus and minus common and cancel. Okay, we can write this minus this and this minus this. Again this minus this and this minus this. Now write what is secant 8 alpha? 1 by cos 8 alpha minus 1 by 1 by cos 4 alpha minus 1. Now apply LCM. Cos 8 alpha will be here, that is 1 minus cos 8 alpha by cos 8 alpha whole divided by cos 4 alpha. 1 minus cos 4 alpha by cos 4 alpha. This will be the numerator, this will be the denominator multiplication, which is equal to, can you tell me what about 1 minus cos 8 alpha? 2 sin square 4 alpha. 2 sin square 4 alpha. That is a formula. Okay na? 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. 4 theta 2 theta, 8 theta 4 theta, 16 theta 8 theta, theta by 2, theta by 2, theta by 4, half of the angle. So which is equal, numerator I am writing, that is what, 2 sin square 4 alpha, and this will be the numerator kada? Cos 4 alpha whole divided by, this is cos 8 alpha as it is cos 8 alpha, and this is 1 minus cos 4 alpha. 1 minus cos 4 theta will be 2 sin square 2 theta. 2 sin square 2 alpha. Any doubt? Yeah. Now here we have 2 times of sine here. I'm taking 1 times of sine, which is equal to 2 sin 4 alpha cos 4 alpha, 1 more sin 4 alpha. Since 2 times now I am writing side by, this is what, cos 8 alpha. Now this is 2 sin square 2 alpha. 2, we need what, 4 alpha, right? 2 sin square 2 alpha. Okay, 2 sin square 2 alpha, correct only. 1 minus 1, 2 sin square 2 alpha. ఒకసారి చూడు, tan 8 alpha by 4 alpha na 2 alpha కదా, correct. Is okay, secant 4 alpha, right? Right, see, which is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta na, which is sin 2 theta means sin 2 times of 4 alpha will be 8 alpha, and this is sin 4 alpha can be written as 2 sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha. Can I write sin 4 alpha sin 2 into 2 alpha, sin 2 theta formula, 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, this is formula by cos 8 alpha 2 sin square 2 alpha. This 2 cancel, one time sin cancel, remaining what, sin by cos, tan 8 alpha, cos by sin, cos 2 alpha by sin 2 alpha, cot 2 alpha. Cot 2 alpha you can take denominator as tan 2 alpha, which is RHS, hence proved. Understand? See, if you ask me, sir, is this important? I can't say this is important or not. But why, sir? For practice, you have more questions. How many questions you practice, that much speed, that much easily you can solve remaining questions. That many formulas will be stored in your mind to apply fast. Otherwise, simple. Instead of applying these correct formulas, if you apply different formulas, you can apply different formulas. Just now in previous question, there you have cos 2 theta. See, cos 2 theta. Somewhere we have cos 2 theta. Yeah, cos 2 theta formula. We have 4 formulas, but why we are applying this? To get the proof. If you apply instead of this 2 cos square alpha minus 1 cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, you will get something, but you will not get correct answer. You will get something trigonometry. Understand? Now come to next question. What is the question? See, 1 plus cos pi by 10, cos 3 pi by 10, cos 7 pi by 10, cos is equal to, we have to prove. Yes, see, same like previous question, we have to solve. This is solution. LHS. This is 1 plus cos pi by 10, 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10, 1 plus cos 7 pi by 10. Can we written as 7 pi by 10 like what? Pi minus 3 pi by 10, 10 pi minus 3 pi, 7 pi by 10. Okay. Into 1 plus cos 9 pi by na, this is pi minus pi by 10 can be written as Insufficient memory. Please clean up. Okay. 1 plus cos pi minus pi by 10. Okay now. 10 pi minus pi? 9 pi. 9 pi only. 10 pi 3 pi 7 pi. So what you are writing is correct, which is equal to 1 plus cos pi by 10, 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10, 1 cos 180 minus theta. Second quadrant, negative or positive? Negative, minus cos 3 pi by 10. Next, 1 plus cos 180 minus theta, again same, minus 1 minus cos pi by 10. See, if you observe, 1 plus cos pi by 10, 1 minus cos pi by 10, which is a plus b into a minus b formula, and these two also a plus b into a minus b formula. A plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square, na? A square 1 square minus b square cos square pi by 10, and this is a square 1 square minus b square cos square 3 pi by 10. Okay, 3 pi by 10, which is equal to 1 minus cos square theta sin square pi by 10. 1 minus cos square theta sin square 3 pi by 10. What is pi by 10? 18. 180 by 10. What is pi by 10? 18. 18 3 ja. 18 3 ja. 54. 18 3 ja. 54. What about sin 18 value? We already proved that is root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. What about sin 54 value? I said to learn all the formulas, all the values. Huh? Root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay, root 5 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to whole square. Now this is, now this square we can write whole square. Okay, 4 into 4 16, and root 5 minus 1, root 5 plus 1, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, root 5 whole square, 5 1 square 1 by 16 whole square, 5 minus 1 4 by 16 whole square, 4 1 ja 4 4 ja, which is equal to 1 by 4 whole square, 1 by 4 whole square, 1 by 16. Understand? Understand? Right. Next, last question, very important question. Prove that first one, last but one question. I think more one question there. Na? So these two are similar questions. Solution. So you will get this type of question for very short mostly. That's why I want to explain this one. Easy. Anywhere this type of questions make problems conversion. Converting into 2 pi by 10, 2 pi by 10, like this. We done many questions. That is only the problem, biggest problem. Understand? So what is LHS? This one LHS, na? We have to prove this equal to this, right? So for that, this type of questions, remember, let, I'm taking something, let x is equal to, okay, x is equal to this one, ra. Enter the cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7, cos 8 pi by 7, and y is equal to sin 2 pi by 7, sin 4 pi by 7, sin 8 pi by 7. Okay, na? Now consider x into y. We are multiplying these two. So first write x into y, means we have to write first this into again this. But what I am writing? I am writing sin 2 pi by 7 for my convenience into cos 2 pi by 7. Any doubt? Can we write this? Next, sin 4 pi by 7 cos 4 pi by 7. Next, sin 8 pi by 7 cos 8 pi by 7. We need to find which value? X value. We have to prove x equal to 1 by 8. Okay, na? Any doubt here? Now what I am doing, for each part I split it into 3 parts in product. I am multiplying and dividing with 2. This you have to do in next step. Okay. Okay, na? If you observe numerator, 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. This is a formula. 2 sin theta cos theta will become what? Sin 2 theta. That is what? Sin 2 theta. 2 into 2. 4 pi by 7. Again, this is sin 2 theta. 4 to ja. 8 pi by 7. Again, sin 2 theta. 8 to ja. 16 pi by 7. Denominator 2 into 2 into 2. 1 by 8. 2 to ja 4 to ja 8. Now sin 4 pi by 7 is there, 8 pi by 7 is there, 2 pi by 7 is not there. That's why 1 by 8 into sin 4 pi by 7 sin 8 pi by 7. This is sin, you can write directly 2 pi by 7. How's our operation? 16 pi by 7 can be written as 2 pi plus pi 2 pi, sorry, 2 pi plus 2 pi by 7 we can write. See, 7 to the 14, 15, 16. So, if you write 2 pi plus 2 pi by 7 here, sin 360 plus theta is sin theta. First quadrant, 360 plus. That's why I am writing directly sin 2 pi by 7. This is equal to 1 by 8 into, this is clearly x or y, y. This is y, y. Already LHS what? Xy. This y, this y. So, x is equal to what? Therefore, what is x? Cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7, cos 8 pi by 7 is equal to 1 by 8. In the same form, you have to prove this one. Understand? Next, last question. See, if a is not an integral multiple of pi, then prove that the first one, and also from first one prove the second one. The first one solution, very important and very easy question. This is, what is LHS? Cos A, cos 2A, cos 4A, cos 8A. This is given LHS, na? We have solution in terms of sine, the question in terms of cos. So for cos to sine, we have sine to theta formula, sine and cos. Okay, now for that, what I am doing, 2 sin A, cos A, cos 2A, cos 4A, cos 8A by 2 sin A. Multiplying and dividing with what? 2 sin A. Okay, na? What about this sin 2A? So, which is equal to sin 2A cos 2A cos 4A cos 8A by what? 2 sin A. Now, sin 2 theta cos 2 theta means same angle. Sin theta cos theta there, but there is no 2. That's why multiply and dividing with what? One more 2. Now, this is 2 sin A cos A formula. Sin 2A, which is equal to what? Sin 4A, cos 4A, cos 8A by this is 4 sin A. Again for this we need more 2. That's why 2 into 2 into 2 sin A cos A. Again sin 2A, which is equal to sin 8A cos 8A by 2 4 ja 8 sin A. Again multiplying and dividing with 2. So 2 sin A cos A, sin 16A by 16 sin A. 16 is RHS, hence proved. From this he is asking to prove this. So let this is equation number 1. Put A is equal to 2 pi by 15 in 1. Indulo just write what? A equal to 2 pi by 15. Now it will become cos A cos 2 pi by 15. Then cos 2A cos 4 pi by 15. Again 4A 8 pi by 15. 16 pi by 15 is equal to, we have what proof? Sin 16A by 16 sin A, na? So sin 16A, sin 16 into A means what? 2 pi by. So 16 2 ja. 32 pi by 15 by 16 sin A means what? 2 pi by 15. Proof what? 16 okay, 1 okay, means these two should be cancelled. You have to convert this into this or this into this. Then we can cancel. I am converting, see, this is sine 32 pi, I am writing like 2 pi plus 15 to the 30, 2 pi by 15. Can we write? 15 to the 30, 32 by 16 sine 2 pi by 15. Okay, now which is sine 360 plus theta sine theta, that is sine 2 pi by 15 by 16 sine 2 pi by 15. These two will get cancel 1 by 16, hence proved. Understand? So this is about this exercise, and now we are going to start in next class. Already I gave you long answer model questions. That is what? Transformations. So before last exercise, we have one more exercise middle. So that is also very important. With that exercise, trigonometry will be finished. So if possible, we'll try to complete today, otherwise tomorrow. Thank you. Set to maximum.